Hello everyone, today we will discuss about grammar for true question. There are 10 questions, so let's start for the first question. Each of student has or have a scholarship. The answer is has. Why? Because each is a singular subject, even though it's followed by student. Why not have? Because have is a plural, doesn't agree with the singular subject each. The second question is teacher let all leave to leave, leaving, or leaves the classroom. The answer is leave. Why? Because after let, use the base form of the verb. Why not to leave? Because add to, which breaks causative structure. Why not leaving? Because leaving is a gerund. Why not leaves? Because leaves is a present tense. Doesn't fit causative pattern. The third question is, this milk tasted or taste fine? The answer is taste. Why? Because taste is used for current states or observation. Why not tasted? Because tasted would suggest a past event. The fourth question is, everyone has to do his or their own research. The answer is his. Why? Because everyone is singular, needs a singular pronoun. Why not their? Because there is plural, doesn't agree with singular subject. The fifth question is, Jason's father bought him an bicycle for his birthday. The answer is a. Why? Because a for the first mention of singular countable noun. Why not the? Because the for noun or specific item. Why not an? Because unused before vowel sounds. The sixth question is, the book written by, writing of William Shakespeare has become a classic. The answer is written by William Shakespeare. Why? Because a past participle phrase describes a noun book. Why not writing by? Because writing by suggests the book is writing. Why not was written? Because was written makes a full clause, not a phrase. Why not writing of? Because writing of a noun phrase, not a modifier. The seventh question, we do not talk like to drink much bitter, very bitter, too bitter, bitter much tea in a cafe. The answer is very bitter. Why? Because very correctly modifies adjective like bitter. Why not much bitter? Because much bitter is wrong collocation. Why not too bitter? Because too bitter implies excessive, not just dislike. Why not bitter much? Because bitter much grammatically gamble. The eighth question, he doesn't have many, much, few, a lot of money. The answer is much. Why? Because money is uncountable. Use much in negative. Why not many? Because many is countable nouns. Not few, because few is for countable plurals. Why not a lot of? Because a lot of is less formal in negative context. The ninth question is, the key were hidden under, over, beside, at the sofa cushion. The answer is under. Why? Because under means beneath or below something, the only option that match the physical position. Why not over? Because over means on top, not hidden. Why not beside? Because beside means next to. Why not at? Because at doesn't show location clearly in this context. And 10th question is, he made the entire birthday cake by himself, him, his, or he. The answer is himself. Because why? Because by himself is the correct reflection pronoun used when the subject and object are the same person. Why not him? Because him is object pronoun but doesn't show self-action. Why not his? Because his is possessive adjective, doesn't make sense here. Why not he? Because he is subject pronoun. Wrong after a preposition. That's all my video today. Thank you for watching and see you for the next video. Bye.